Well, it's a very difficult time for Jammu and Kashmir, particularly for Jammu region, because hilly stretches in Jammu region had become terror-free, and there was peace and normalcy here for last more than a decade. But unfortunately, terror is once again raising its ugly head here. One more terror incident has taken place in the forest area of the hilly areas of Jammu region, this time in Doda district of Jammu region. And 4 of our brave hearts have made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. They have attained Veer Gati in this counter-terror operation. The security forces had a specific input last evening that there was presence of terrorists in Desa forest belt of Doda district, and acting on that specific input, a massive counter-terror operation was launched by the security forces across the length and breadth of Doda district, particularly in the Desa forest belt. And at about 9 p.m., the security forces were successful in establishing a contact with the terrorists. The gunfight that broke out between the terrorists, unfortunately, in that gunfight, 5 of our security personnel attained serious injuries. And this morning, we got this tragic news, unfortunate news, that 4 of those injured, 4 of the 5 injured, Jawans attained martyrdom, and they made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. We are in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. We are reporting on this story with all sensitivity and with all responsibility. We are not giving out any details which can jeopardize this counter-terror operation. Our security forces are on their job. This much we can say. They are carrying out an intense search operation, and their priority is to trace those terrorists, trace those coward Pakistani terrorists, and neutralize them as soon as possible. But the important point is here is that the hilly areas of Jammu region have become the hotbed of terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, whether it's Rajouri, Poonch, Doda, Kishtwar, hilly areas of Udhampur as well as of Katwa. Terror activities have taken place, terror incidents have taken place, and this is a cause of huge worry for the security establishment. As far as this counter-terror operation in Doda district is concerned, security forces are on their job, but terrain is a major challenge, as has been witnessed in the previous counter-terror operations. I will ask my camera person to pan and show the location. You can see these mountains, densely forested areas, and in these areas at times the visibility is also low, weather is inclement at times, so it becomes very difficult to carry out counter-terror operations in areas like these. But our security forces are trying their level best to achieve some success here, but unfortunately so far they haven't got any success. They are moving cautiously in the densely forested area. The terrorists are hiding there. As per our sources, 2 to 3 terrorists are hiding in the upper reaches of Doda.